In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional letterhead in Microsoft Word. This is a valuable skill that can greatly elevate the presentation of your business communications or personal correspondence. So let's dive in and explore the step-by-step process to make your documents stand out. To begin, you'll need to open your Microsoft Word file. This is where the magic happens. If you haven't already, launch Microsoft Word on your device and open a new document. Take a moment to set yourself up comfortably, as this will be your canvas for creating a beautifully formatted letterhead. Once you have your Word document open, it's time to focus on writing your letterhead. This part should be positioned at the top of your page. The primary elements you'll want to include are your company's name, logo, address, and potentially some contact information such as a phone number or email address. This information not only provides essential details about your business, but also adds a professional touch to your documents. Take your time with this step, as the letterhead is a reflection of your brand's identity. It's your chance to make a strong first impression, so ensure that the design and layout are neat, concise, and appealing. You might want to play around with different fonts and sizes to see what looks best, keeping in mind legibility and consistency. If you're using a logo, make sure it's correctly aligned and scaled so it doesn't appear stretched or pixelated. You can effortlessly insert your logo by navigating to the Insert tab, then selecting Picture to add your logo file from your computer. Position and adjust it as needed, ensuring it doesn't overpower the rest of the content. As you input your company's information, consider using lines or borders to separate the header visually from the rest of the document. This can add a level of sophistication and help keep things organized. Utilize the design or layout options in Word to experiment with different dividers or shading to create a subtle backdrop. Once you're satisfied with how your letterhead looks, save your document. It's a good practice to save it as a template so that you can quickly create future documents with the same professional appearance without needing to redo this setup every time. Having a well-designed letterhead template ready to go not only saves time, but also ensures consistency in all your company communications. And just like that, you're done. The effort you put in will be palpable every time someone receives correspondence from you or your company. Remember, these small details often have a significant impact on how you're perceived professionally. Thanks for following along with this guide. Now go on and create the kind of letterhead that leaves an enduring impression.